how to turn off an Android phone without buttons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off any Android phone without the power button. So just using the touch screen. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to turn off your Android phone without the buttons. First, swipe down from the top until you see a little menu appear and then swipe down again. And you'll now see a power button in the bottom right. Go ahead and select that. And then all you need to do is select power off and your Android phone will turn off. Now, if for some reason you're not seeing this power button when you swipe down from the top, there's another way we can turn it off, and that's going to be with an accessibility option. So to do that, open up the settings on your Android phone, then scroll down and just going to look for and select accessibility. Once in accessibility, scroll down a little bit and select accessibility menu, and then just toggle on the accessibility menu shortcut. So I can select got it. And keep in mind, you can turn off this shortcut whenever you want to, but we're just going to use it to turn off our Android phone. So now anywhere I go on my Android phone, I'll see this little green button. If I select it, all I need to do is select power, and then I can select power off right there, and it'll start turning off my Android phone without the buttons. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.